The VEVOR Hydraulic Pump Kit is equipped with a powerful 16 gallons per minute flow rate and a maximum speed of 3,600 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for efficient wood processing tasks. Designed with precision, the pump features a standardized 1-inch inlet and 1/2-inch NPT outlet, ensuring seamless compatibility and superior sealing for reliable performance. The comprehensive kit includes a hydraulic directional control valve and essential accessories, offering convenience for both OEM replacements and DIY wood splitter projects. Operating at a noise level below 75 decibels, the pump provides a quiet working environment, allowing users to maintain focus on their tasks. This versatile pump is not limited to wood splitting. It is also suitable for powering presses, machine tools, and snowplow hydraulic systems, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Compatible with many OEM manufacturers, the VEVOR pump is a dependable option for those seeking a reliable and robust hydraulic solution.